So we're at Rua dos Ervanários. So it's kind of cool little space. We're gonna walk all the way down it in a minute, and I'll tell you all about it in a second. But it's kind of a cool little space. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are overlooking this coffee shop, and Rua dos Ervanários is like School of the Herbalist. So let me kind of go to the front of the street. So Street of the Herbalist is basically like traditionally is where they would come to get herbs and things like that. And right here it's kind of interesting because they got crystals. Interesting, crystals and herbals. Here we go. Welcome to the old Border Gate district. And you can also go to the Sao Paulo ruins from this space as well. So, all right. And in this space, you basically have a lot of coffee shops. You have some kind of antique places, all kinds of cool stuff. And we're gonna walk by a bar here as well. So if you want to try to find this bar later, you can. And we'll say hi for a minute as well. And then you also have all these little alleys like this. And then you have some kind of, this is like a cheese shop, I think. The lighting is just right too. Then we have, there we go, Rua dos Ervanários. That's the sign. Cool stuff like that. Alleys like that with artwork. And then we're gonna keep on walking down. It's kind of a cool little shop here. Something's bugging me. It's kind of cool. And then this one is a Coke Museum. Looks like it's closed. It's Pedro there? It's not. So that's the owner. His name's Pedro. So he runs a food truck, but he's not there at the moment. But he has some customers though. And then you kind of have all this kind of cool stuff like jade, antiques. More. This is firecrackers and antiques. So it's kind of a cool little street. And then we're gonna take a left. If you go left, you kind of go through this so this one they'll usually play like mahjong and things like that in this space. But they're not. Oh, there's. So yeah, they got some mahjong tables and kind of cool stuff, and they'll hang out here at nighttime. But it's a little bit too early, so we're gonna keep on going. Then we also have some artwork over here. Show you this artwork real quick. There you go. And we're gonna keep on going further down. That's the whole street right there. And we're gonna follow this one down. And then we're almost at the end of it. And there's a little temple in here too. To see. There's a temple right in that space, which is kind of cool too. And so we're gonna keep on going down. And then we're back here. And that's our street. It's another kind of cool. So there we go. Dream high. And we're gonna come around to the outer part. So this is all called Rua dos Ervanários. So this is kind of go back a little bit, and it'll just keep following all the way down. But the main part is that little space right there. So I think at the end is like a border wall where the city used to end a long time ago. And that's our space right there. So basically there's like kind of a narrow little space right in there, and that's the Rua dos Ervanários. Yep. And all kinds of little stuff everywhere too. Nice little alleys. Okay, so I think we're gonna end it. I'm basically gonna go back and get something in a shop there, so I'm gonna kind of come a little bit closer before I end this video. There we go. Huh. And there's that little alley right there. And so we're gonna end it right in that space right there.